Well, we're going to fast forward here and take a look at the future. Nate, I want to ask you if you were to fast forward 2 to 3 years, what's it going to look like 2 to 3 years from now in regards to BMC, Helix? What capabilities are going to be out there, and what are we going to be experiencing?
It's such a hard thing to think about 2 to 3 years from now with AI. Things have changed so fast, but I think overall it's going to be embedded. I mean, in a lot of ways it is nowadays, but I think it'll definitely be embedded in your systems. It should help reduce administrative burden. I think UI changes are going to take place. Kind of meet the employee where they are versus
Hmm.
portals and things like that because our interfaces today like a chat GPT or Gemini. It's just type it in and you get the response, right? So it's going to improve those response times and hopefully surface those risk signals earlier, things that'll happen like that. And so I think you're going to see reduced backlog. There's going to be a better experience and faster operational responses and more consistent policy execution. So but again, it's about, leadership, right? And how that's going to play out and the choices we make now and the guardrails we put in place will define that outcome. So it's a lot to think about in the next 2 to 3 years, that's for sure.
Absolutely.